I just came down here to take a little walk outside. Oh, they must have just got done. Come on, let go. Let go. There we go. I don't know why I'm putting brim on there, but I mean it's sticking on there. So these are just some blocks. My little toys. There we go. There we go. That's good enough. All right, 2 holes I can drill into something. So yeah, I'll just show you. Let me put it all together. But I made a funnel. Woohoo! And another kind of funnel for the Creality. So let me put it all together and I'll show you how it works. Another print, but I just wanted to show you. Look, one-handed. Aha, that's a lot easier. So, but yeah, just super glue the hell out of it. So it works. So rock on. Oh yeah, those will fit beautifully. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that'll fit beautifully. Good enough. Yeah, that just happened. So that's going to be like that. But if I put this here, how am I going to get that in there? I just didn't think about that, did I? I didn't think about that at all. I don't know what I'm doing. Jesus. So that's going to be like that, and that goes in like so. There we got that. So there's that. And then this one, I'll put it up higher though. I just need, where is it? God damn. Good enough. Let's put the cap back on that before I fucking spill it. I know there's nothing in there, but or hardly anything in there. Alright, so we'll put that one right there, where that line was. Beautiful. Where'd I put all those other screws? They're there. The top one ain't gonna go anywhere, but it's whatever. So, it's gonna go like so. This will fit in there. Perfect. And this, actually, let me get rid of this thing. That goes there. This is going to go back up here like this. This can go over here. Let's tighten that up. And then we undo these. And I should be able to go like this and not spill it. And yeah, I'm actually going to start it off by just pouring it into that. I'm dripping. It doesn't fucking fit because of the screws. I mean, did I print the wrong one? I probably printed the wrong one. I give up. But, I mean, it's working. Not getting it all over, so. Tray, funnel. Oh, I forgot I wanted to put a filter in there. You know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter right now. But got all that done. Then when that's totally done dripping, take that off and clean it, put it back on there, or whatever I want to do with it, and this and that. I still have the little top for it and everything, which has got now crap on it. I don't know. It's fun. 3D printing is fun. I'm just a clumsy old oaf, so it works though. It works. Now it's on. It is cleaned off. I know some of you are probably gritting your teeth at what I'm doing right now, but I just wanted to clean this all up. Alright, you know what, for now, is that coming through the bottom? No. But yeah, I gotta clean that all up. But that's good the way it is now. For this stuff, I take this and I can put that on there. This and this. All I do now is just take another paper towel or two. And come on now. Forward and back pressure. I could leave that up there if I wanted to, but it was whatever. I just want to get it kind of cleaned up and out of the way. Clean that up, put it off to the side. Clean this up. put it off to the side. The cool part is it's totally cleaned up, so I mean, I could leave that stuff there if I wanted to, but put the cap back on the bottle. Put that back. As I said, I can leave this stuff up if I want to, like that, and like that. Throw some of this away. Or I can just at least it's got good grip there. If I want, just put it up. See, I just got too much stuff. I gotta figure out where to put all this stuff. There we go. I'm happy with that. That just takes out more stuff out of my way, so. Yeah, for those people who are OCD and everything, yeah, those aren't lined up, so it's whatever. It's whatever. But, yep. Another job done.